The search for extraterrestrial life is a great example of how looking for the proverbial needle in a haystack might never produce results. Still, I could be wrong. Welcome to PC Support TV. I'm Mike Halsey. In the same way that the search for extraterrestrial life might seem impossible, so too can be the problem of finding that one specific file on your PC that you need among so many others. This problem is compounded by the fact that we're all collecting so many different types of files and data that sifting through it all is becoming increasingly difficult. So while the search for extraterrestrials might not result in them rocking up on your doorstep, finding what you want on your own hard disk space is considerably easier. So in this program, I'm going to show you how not just to find what you're looking for in Windows 8, but also how to get the very best from it. So let's have a look at how we get started with search in Windows 8. There are two ways to access it. If you're on the desktop or in an app, you can open search from the Charms menu. If you're at the start screen, you can just start typing and search will appear. As soon as you start typing, the search system returns what it thinks are the most relevant results, below which are alternate search terms if you're actually looking for something else. If Windows is really sure it knows what you're looking for, it'll complete the search box for you, and you can see this happening here when I type printer. If this is what you're looking for, you can simply press the Enter key on your keyboard to select and open that item, or you can click one of the items below in the list. You can further refine your search by clicking one of the alternate search terms, or by clicking the search icon to the right of the search input box to open the search app. Note here though that if Windows has already suggested a full search term and this isn't what you're wanting to search for, then you should press the delete key on your keyboard to remove its auto-inserted suggestion. It's here in the full search app that things get more interesting. You'll see results based on files, documents or settings, and below each of these lists is a See All link that you can click to expand the search for that particular type of result. You can also get results from across the internet. Windows 8 uses Microsoft's Bing search engine to deliver results directly to your desktop, and the results as you see here can be quite interesting, allowing you to play music and video directly from the search. You can narrow down your search directly from the main search panel too, without needing to go into the app, and you can do this from the drop-down menu that appears above the search box. By default it's set to search everything on your computer and online, but clicking it either before or after typing your search term allows you to choose from several different options. Search is controllable too. In PC settings, click on the Search and Apps link and you'll be presented with a series of options allowing you to choose how the internet search works and if you want to use it at all. You can also turn on a Safe Search option, which can filter certain unwanted results from your searches such as adult images and violence. Lastly, there's a setting to control how search works over a metered connection. For example, one shared from your smartphone over its 3G or 4G allowance. And you can find out more about using smartphones to share internet with your Windows 8 PC in my Connect to the Internet in Windows 8.1 program. More advanced search options still are available in File Explorer on the desktop, which has a search box near its top right corner. By default, it will prioritize the type of content that's currently being viewed. For example, if you're in the Pictures folder, it will prioritize pictures, or documents in the Documents folder, and so on. Search on the desktop, however, allows you to use all manner of commands that can narrow your search considerably. When you start typing the search, you'll see a search tab open on the ribbon, and there are various buttons you can click that allow you to narrow your search in many different and useful ways. Each option will display a menu of sub-options, making it easy to use, and you can also display a list of your most recent searches too. Also from the ribbon, you can save your search, and it'll then appear in the Favourite Links pane, and the next time you click this search to open it, it'll refresh the search so as to always keep it up to date. More options are available with typed commands, and you can type these commands directly into the search box for extra flexibility. For example, you can search for a specific kind of document with the kind command, or a document with a specific file size with the size command. You can even search for the author or the date a file was created or modified, and each of the commands displays a drop-down menu of easy to select options. Here are some of the more common search commands you can use in File Explorer. So that's how you can use and master search in Windows 8. You can get much more information about searching in my book, Beginning Windows 8.1, and you can click on the screen now for a direct link. I hope you'll join me next time on PC Support TV and watch more of my programs online, but for now, thank you for watching.